It is August 19th, 2019. This is my daily recap video. Today I took two trades, one on IQ, one on PCG. The one on IQ was a bull flag slash ABCD pattern. If you look at the 5-minute chart down here, you got a nice big green candlestick, and you got a smaller red candlestick, smaller volume, lower volume I should say. It was finding support around on the VWAP here, this cyan colored line it seemed like. On the 1-minute chart, it's kind of a similar thing. It was finding support around the VWAP, and I was actually thinking wanted to take it earlier here, like around here, but I kept hearing the commentary in the chat room talking about how the market is weird. It's kind of choppy. It's be careful, blah blah blah. So I kept hesitating, but it just kept going up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit more, a little more, right in this 90 MA here, this blue line. And so I finally got in, but I got a terrible entry somehow. I'm not sure if I just was just too slow, or if I just got a bad entry from a bad fill, from the broker. But it ended up being way up here, 48.47 or 18.47, and then pretty much right after it stopped me out, which was right above VWAP here. So not a good entry at all. Partially my fault. Which seems to happen a lot to me, because I just can't pull the trigger sometimes. But look what happened afterwards. It just rose and rose and rose. So I could have had a decent trade on that if I would have not hesitated. And my next trade was PCG. This was a descending triangle. I'm going to have to zoom out, I guess, here. Let's see here. So I was watching it, right here was a great, baseline. This would have been the good point to get in, right around here, 9:54 a.m. at about $10.50. That would have been the good place because it, then it dropped to $10 and down to 13 cents or so. But I didn't. I think I was, again, worried about the market conditions, so I didn't. And then I was watching it, and then I got the idea because one of the guys said, "Yeah, I'm going to take a not on this stock or trade, but yeah, I'm going to take a small size." And I keep forgetting that I can do that. Just take less shares. That way, there's less risk. And so I meant to do that over here, and I got in, but I didn't do less shares. I'm so used to shorting or going long 150 shares. That's what I did. I was gonna have a 10 or 20 cent stop loss. Basically, my stop loss was between 10.50, but once I realized I took 150 shares, it happened to go down a little bit, so I just got out of the trade completely and just said forget it. So that was actually like a $6 gain, I guess. So I'm down $8 on the day. More if you consider the commissions, $4 in commissions. So I'm down $12 on the day total. So not too bad of a day considering how it was, I guess. But I just got to work on those entries, not being such a chicken to get in. So because that could have gone quite differently that first trade. That's what I'll be working on, I guess.